Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a closer look at speech AI. In order to do so, here we are at Google to start, and you're going to find that there are several options to choose from. We're going to go ahead and choose the first option here that is most prominently displayed, and the website for that is speechai.us. So that's where we're heading. And what is Speech AI all about? Well, it is the generative analytics superpower. Speech AI provides valuable real-time data by analyzing spoken language and extracting meaningful insights from conversations in real time. How can Speech AI deliver valuable real-time data? By analyzing customer interactions in real time, Speech AI can identify customer sentiment, emotions, and satisfaction levels. This data helps organizations promptly address customer issues, improve service quality, and personalize customer experiences. Speech AI enables real-time monitoring of agent-customer conversations, allowing businesses to assess agent performance, identify coaching opportunities, and provide immediate feedback to enhance customer interactions. Speech AI can identify emerging issues, trends, or patterns during conversations as they happen. This helps organizations detect and address problems promptly, leading to improved operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. And if we scroll down here on the homepage, we have a lot of information that we can go through. We're not going to go through all of it. What we want to find out here is how can you get started with Speech AI? Well, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you're going to see here the option to book a demo. So if you're interested in what Speech AI has to offer, you can come here, book a demo, and it is going to bring you to this page where you're going to have to enter in your contact information, and Speech AI will contact you to book a demo. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Check out our Discord channel. If you head here, we're building a community around AI animation, and check out our WAP course, How to Create an AI Music Video, for $30. We will take you through our process for creating an AI music video, from choosing your tools to video generation and lip sync. By the end of this course, you will have all the fundamentals necessary to creating your own AI music video masterpiece. Ask about our training and services. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the Linktree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.